So as you heard from my colleague, Deb D'Agostino, Board Trustee, she had already talked about the infrastructure improvements we're looking to make through this capital bond. In addition, one of the other things I'd like to highlight is a new redesign of our front entrance to the middle school, high school. Within that new front entrance, it's designed to serve multiple purposes. Number one, to again continue with our safety initiatives to fortify the front by creating a new safety look. In addition, to create opportunities to maximize existing space that really at this point in time is unusable. So taking the balcony and the area below the balcony in the front to create individual learning spaces for small group instruction, for teachers and students to be able to work together, again, for an additional student experience. In addition, at our bus garage, there are some capital projects that are part of this proposal. First is the resurfacing and repaving of the ground that maintains our entire bus fleet. In addition, on the inside, where our mechanics work on all of our buses, is the incorporation of new bus lifts. This proposal takes into account not only our existing fleet, but the expansion and the transition to electric buses in the future. Lastly, as part of this project, includes both floor drainage and retrofits to both our diesel and gas fueling stations. So as you can see, this proposal touches on all aspects of the district and its buildings. PQ, the middle school, high school, and the bus garage, enhancing both infrastructure as well as student experiences in the student buildings. For any additional questions, you can always refer to our website where there's a dedicated page to this facilities project. Thank you.